Question 17. Which of the following reactions will occur spontaneously as written? So we have a bunch of reduction potentials here for half reactions and several redox reactions. What we have to remember is that for a reaction to occur spontaneously, the cell potential must be greater than 0. Okay, so we have to go through and calculate the cell potentials for each of these. And so just keep in mind that E0, is the reduction potential for the reduction half reaction minus the oxidation. Okay? So iron here to go from 2 plus to 3 plus, that's a loss of electron. That's the oxidation, which means that chromium is the gain of electrons or the reduction. So for answer choice A, the chromium, looking at the table, is minus 0.740 minus the oxidation is the one involving the iron, 2 plus going to 3 plus. So make sure you choose the one that's 2 plus to 3 plus, 0.771. Okay, so you can see this negative plus this larger negative will make an even bigger positive number. So you get 0.740 negative 1.511. Okay, so that will not be spontaneous, okay, because it has to be greater than 0. Okay, answer choice B. Chromium 3 plus goes to chromium solid. So we go from 3 plus to 0. That's a gain of electrons or reduction, okay? So the reduction potential for chromium 3 plus to chromium solid, looking at the table, is minus 0.740 minus the other reaction, then is the oxidation, tin 2 plus, tin 4 plus, right here, minus 0.15. So you're going to see we're going to get a negative here as well. So we get minus 0.59. Okay, so also not negative, not positive, not greater than 0. Okay, I'm going to do some erasing up here so I have some room on C. Okay, so here we have chromium solid going to chromium 3 plus. And in fact, just take a look at this for a second. Do you see how answer choice C is the reverse reaction of answer choice A? You see that? So the reduction potential is actually just going to be the opposite of it. Okay, but let's go through it. So chromium goes from 0 to plus 3. So that's a loss of 3 electrons. Let me change colors, which is oxidation. That means that this iron 2 plus to iron solid is a reduction. It's gaining electrons. And they're not quite exactly the reverse because this is 2 plus to 3 plus. This is 2 plus to 0. But this is reduction. Okay. So iron 2 plus to iron solid is right here, minus 0.440 minus the oxidation, minus 0.740. Okay. So we get negative 0.440 and then minus a negative is 0.30. So that's our answer. That's the one that will occur spontaneously because the cell potential is positive. This last reaction, just to be clear, is, I want to erase and show you here what's going on. This is not actually a redox reaction because you have only a solid on only one side, whereas those electrochemical cells have to include two solid metals. So that's actually not a redox reaction. Okay, so the answer that we get here is C. And here's the answer tab if you want to see it.